Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Hostinger affiliate email in Outlook. So to use Hostinger affiliate email in Outlook, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and open the Outlook. So I'm gonna just open up a new tab and then just type right here Outlook, right? And then basically, go ahead and add a new account and type your Hostinger's affiliate email address and then click connect, and then select either IMAP or POP. IMAP is recommended for syncing across devices, and then for IMAP, incoming mail server, and then port 9093 encryption SSL /TLS, and the outgoing mail server SMTP is the smtp.hostinger.com. The port is 465, and the encryption is SSL TLS/TLS. And then you enter the login details for username, full Hostinger affiliate email address, and then password, and then click next, and Outlook will test the connection. If successful, click finish to complete the setup. Following these steps will configure your Hostinger affiliate email in Outlook. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.